say thank you guys for coming out. This is our 13th event. It's pretty crazy. A year ago, I had this crazy idea, and now it's turned into this awesome event. I think it's so cool. We've donated, I don't even know how many toys. So I'm gonna give a huge shout out to A+ Records, Nikki Cortez, Gabe Morgan with Full Medic over here for linking up for one of our biggest events, I'm pretty sure.
And then those of y'all who don't, nice to meet y'all.
Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. I said, Lotto, keep it 100, I keep it 806. 115, 115. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact. Nikki Cortez, and you so proud of that. If you smoking fire, I need pounds of that. Kung Fu Kenny got the crown of rap, but I just want an album going platinum plaque. I mean, God, yeah, I love myself, I'm a narcissist. That's the main reason why your girl can resist, and your girl wanna hit your girl KD and a friend Ras Brooks, like she know she coming in with the assist. Little Uzi diamonds on my fist. Nikki, why you rap like this? Y'all should really take the time to breathe. Instead, y'all wanna leave. And that's why you not in the league. But like old dog, I'm a triple OG, and I'ma be famous like I just saw. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact. Passing the rock, nigga, you crazy. Dying when I'm 30 and that's how my old lady. Sad like a baby, I moved to Mercedes. The city be shining, the hood staying shady. Out of L to the 1, I'm 400, I'm brazy. I'm right there like I'm Lil Flip. Never hold a lie on the bottom of my lip. I got tattoos, but I never hold a click. Complain that I'm fake where I work at Chick-fil-A. Got a big mouth like Kanye, irreplaceable like Beyonce. It's a G thing like Drake. That's why I got my dreams coming my way. Splitting your girl like a highway, and I'm sitting in the pussy like a driveway. But when I got mad, it ain't matter anyway, cause when I got soft, she ain't getting no play. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact. So I've been around the world like the Flash, and now I'm back. Beating on your girl and like she riding me, and you know she coming back. And you hate that, that's a fact. That's a fact, that's a fact. Yeah, you hate that, that's a fact.